Today we will be testing the colorful moving averages indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the colorful moving averages indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 65 different strategies, with 17 of them being profitable. The best one, an 80% win rate. That was the 5-minute crypto trading strategy that I did a video on. I'll put the video, the thumbnail on screen right now with a link to the video up in the corner, or you can find a link to it at the end of this video. We've also tested a total of 878 indicators, with 369 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 64 of the winning indicators. 26 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two, a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing the colorful moving averages indicator. You can see it here on screen. It's an interesting indicator. This one will probably be like a few that we will end up testing a few different times. And that's because it basically allows you to plug in different moving averages and it displays them a little bit differently on screen. There's a detailed description of how it all works on the indicators page if you're interested in reading up on that. But if I go to the settings here, you can see that it gives us a moving average type right here. Right now it's on T3, but you can see there's a few different moving averages that it displays for us there. Now the setup on this, and I'm not 100% sure this is the exact way that it's meant to be traded, but what stands out first and foremost to me is going to be these kind of diamonds here, the green diamonds and red diamonds. And so I think the way we're going to test this is going to be when we get a green diamond, that's going to be a signal to go long. When we get a red diamond, that's going to be a signal to go short. And so let's go ahead and test it that way, get on with the testing, and see what we can get out of it. All right, looks like the first signal that we're going to pick up is going to be a short signal right here. We get one of those red diamonds there that appear. You can see that we pretty much immediately make a spike to the upside there, which does look like it's going to hit our stop. Yep, comes up and hit our stop. Unfortunately, that one's going to stop us out. Let's go ahead and continue on. Pick up a buy signal right here on this one. We get that green diamond right there, that green square, diamond, yeah, diamond. Anyways, you can see that we get a nice push to the upside there, which does come up and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we're going to pick up a short right there, and again, that makes a nice push to the downside, also getting us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on here. Pick up a buy signal right there on that one. You can see that immediately, though, it turns around, spikes to the downside. That one's going to stop us out there. We then pick up a long, or a short, I'm sorry, right here on this one. And let's go ahead and play this forward a little bit here. Not sure if we got to our take profit. Let's go ahead and measure this out. Yep, looks like we got to our take profit on that one as well. All right, so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server right here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You are welcome to join and take part in the conversations in most of these channels here. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some great advanced information. For example, this is Sasquatch here. He is an amazing Forex prop trader. He's posting charts on a regular basis where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, just charts in general where he's doing analysis of the Forex market. These are a couple of the kind of cleaner charts that he has posted. If I scrolled back here, you'd see that we get quite a few charts like this where he really dives in and marks out areas of interest, different kind of wedge patterns or different candle patterns in general. Really awesome information that he's putting out for everyone to see. You can really learn a lot from the charts that he's putting out, just kind of following along with his trades. Sometimes he'll also post kind of the trades that he's looking to take. We also have Mike from Upright Trading. He's one of our admins. He does a really great job of explaining indicators and helping out with indicators and just general trading knowledge kind of all around. That's kind of what this was right here, responding to kind of a new member asking a question. But Mike from Upright Trading has a lot of really cool indicators that he's developed himself. Some are paid, some are free, but all of them are really super cool. And I believe they all are free to test out. And so he really goes above and beyond to kind of help us out and explain a lot of great stuff. And then we have our other admin, Jay, who also does really great at helping out, explaining things, walking people through different stuff and helping out. It's just a really great environment. As well as all that, you will also get access to some indicators that I've developed myself. The latest video that I put out was the 5-minute crypto scalping strategy right here. If you are looking for a strategy to start with, I highly recommend that you jump onto this video. You watch it, check out the strategy. It's a great strategy in there. I outlined the indicators that I use and explained that I am offering those indicators to our patrons. And so you just get a ton of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Squeeze this back a little bit. Gives quite a few trades within the 1 year's time, so that's pretty decent. Let's see. All right, let's go ahead and count these out, see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So we have 18 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 winning trades, and so that will meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. Interesting indicator. It's a moving average, and so I was kind of reluctant as to whether or not it was going to do well. We have kind of a bad track record when it comes to moving averages. But utilizing these diamonds versus just a simple break of the moving average seem to do a lot better. A decent number of trades and a decent win rate. So all in all, pretty cool. We'll see about testing this again on the other moving averages to see how they hold up. But for now, that'll do it for this one. It's going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.